Earning money online has become a common and viable source of income today. Here are some ways you can make money online. 1. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs to promote other companies' products and earn a commission on each sale. 2. Freelancing. Take up online freelance jobs based on your skills, such as writing, graphic designing, or digital marketing. 3. Online education. Share your knowledge and skills by offering online classes and earn fees from students. 4. Blogging. Start a blog in your niche of interest and write articles on topics related to science, technology, or lifestyle. 5. Online services. Provide online services like web design, data entry, or software development. 6. YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel based on your talents, such as vlogging, gaming, or tutorials. 7. Online stock market trading. Invest in the stock market online and earn profits through trading. 8. Online service platforms. Join online platforms to offer services like Uber, Fiverr, or Airbnb.